Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the online session of economic classes. Today we will be going to learn some basic national income aggregates. The very first is gross domestic product and market price (GDP MP). In this, GDP is the market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country, measured in a year. I think the meaning is clear. Gross domestic product is the market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country in a year. All production done by the national residents or the non-residents in a country gets included regardless of whether that production is owned by a local company or a foreign entity. Everything is valued at market prices. GDP market price equals to C, that is a consumption, plus I, investment, plus government, plus export minus imports. The second factor which comes GDP at factor cost, that is gross domestic product at factor cost. GDP at factor cost is gross domestic product at market prices less net product taxes. So whatever calculation we have did for the market price, if we will less the net product tax, it will come GDP factor cost. Market prices are the prices as paid by the consumers. Market prices also include product taxes and subsidies. The term factor cost refers to the prices of products as received by the producers. Thus, factor cost is equal to market prices minus net indirect taxes. GDP at factor cost measures money value of output produced by the firms within the domestic boundaries of a country in a year. So the formula comes is gross domestic product at factor cost equals to gross domestic product market price minus net indirect taxes. So gross domestic product factor cost is gross domestic product at market price. The third formula comes net domestic product at market price. These measures allow policymakers to estimate how much the country has to spend just to maintain their current GDP. Net domestic product and market prices (NDP-MP). This measure allows policymakers to estimate how much the country has to spend just to maintain their current GDP. If the country is not able to replace the capital stock loss through depreciation, then GDP will fall. So the formula gets NDP-MP equals to GDP-MP minus depreciation. It allows policymakers to estimate how much the country. So this NDP at market price. This, if we will calculate, if we will come to know the policymakers to estimate how much the country has to spend just to maintain their current gross domestic product. NDP at factor cost. NDP at factor cost is the income earned by the factors in the form of wages, profits, rent, interest, etc. within the domestic territory of a country. So net domestic product at factor cost. It helps us to calculate the income earned by the factors in the form of all the people what they are earning in the form of wages, profits, rent, interest, etc. within the domestic territory of a country. That can be calculated by NDP at factor cost. So the formula gets NDP FC equals to NDP MP minus net product taxes minus net production taxes. Fifth formula, gross national product at market prices GNP-MP. GNP-NP is the value of all the final goods and services that are produced by the normal residents of India and is measured at the market prices in a year. GNP refers to all the economic output produced by a nation's normal residents, whether they are located within the national boundary or abroad. Everything is valued at the market prices. So formula gets GNP MP equals to GDP MP plus NFIA. So gross national product market price is what? It is the value of all the final goods and services that are produced by normal residents of India. It means the people who are living in our country and they are producing in our country the goods and services. That value is calculated in GNP MP. And this measure the market prices in a year. It refers to all the economic output produced by a nation's normal residents. The same line is again repeated. It says that whatever income is generated by the production of goods and services, it must be done by the normal residents of our own country, irrespective of outsiders. GNP at factor cost. GNP at factor cost measures value of output received by the factors of production belonging to a country in a year. So it measures value of output received by the factors of production. The formula gets GNP FC equals to GNP MP minus net product taxes minus net production taxes.